Hello guys, today we can discuss some warm-up questions and its sample answers. What's your full name? My name is John David. Please introduce yourself. My name is John David and I come from Delhi. I'm a nurse by profession and I have been working as a nurse in charge of an intensive care unit in a reputed hospital for the last 3 years. How long have you been working as a nurse? Or how many years have you been working as a nurse? You can answer like, I have been working as a nurse since 2015. Or you can say like, I've been working as a nurse for the last 7 years. Why did you choose nursing as your profession? I chose nursing because I always enjoy helping people. Nursing is one of the most respected professions. Moreover, my childhood dream was to become a nurse. As we know, nursing is a noble and service-oriented profession, and I loved serving and caring people. So, I'm very much passionate about nursing. That is why I chose nursing as my profession. Do you have any role model in your profession and why? Yes, I do. Mother Teresa is my role model. She is known for the mother of poor. She exemplified how a nurse should be. In addition to that, she dedicated her entire life for the upliftment of the sick and poor. So she is my inspiration and role model. Tell me about your dream destination and also let me know why. I would love to work in United Kingdom because I was attracted by the remuneration, living conditions and climates over there. Therefore, I would definitely say UK as my dream destination. What's your future plan once you reach the United Kingdom? Well, I have a number of plans. First of all, I need to associate with recognized hospitals in the UK. Then if time permits, I need to continue or pursue my education in nursing. Then I would definitely explore UK as much as I can. Why did you choose OET? Well, it is my long-term ambition to work as a registered nurse in any of the European countries like UK and Ireland. So in order to meet the requirement to register as a nurse, I need to prove my language proficiency. So OET is one of the language proficiency exam specifically designed for healthcare professionals. Moreover, it deals with real healthcare scenarios. Therefore, I choose OET. What are the current trends in this profession? Nursing is a dynamic profession and a lot of changes are happening on a daily basis. Nowadays, technology plays a vital role in my profession. For instance, paperwork have been replaced with electronic records. Then the introduction of evidence-based practices and advanced technologies like robotic surgery, telemedicine and genetic nursing are some other advancements which happened in our profession. If you get an opportunity to change one thing in this profession, what would that be? Well, if I get an opportunity to change one thing in this profession, I would definitely change the attitude towards nurses because I strongly believe that nurses deserve more respect and recognition in the society. Moreover, I will certainly try to reduce the long working hours of the nurses, especially those who work in the night shift. What are the qualities of a good nurse? A nurse should possess certain qualities such as sincerity, good communication skill, and leadership skills. In addition to that, she should maintain trust, honesty, and empathy throughout their profession. Finally, she should be able to build good interpersonal relationship with patients. Tell me about difficult situations you normally face in this nursing profession. As a nurse, we face lots of difficult situations on a regular basis. However, the most difficult situation is breaking sad news to the patients, relatives, and their loved ones. How would you advise the upcoming nurses? Yes, I have a bunch of advices to the upcoming nurses. First of all, I would like to advise them to maintain good qualities of a nurse throughout their profession. Apart from that, I would also ask them to be more obedient and empathetic towards the patients. Moreover, I will educate them that nursing is a noble profession which requires a lot of dedication and passion. Finally, I would advise them to love their profession and respect their patients. What are the necessary skills required for a nurse? I strongly believe that a nurse should have a certain skills like good communication, listening, and observation skill. Moreover, a nurse should be more empathetic towards the patient. Could you please tell me the most satisfying element in your profession? Yes, the most satisfying element in my profession is the positive feedbacks from the patients that I receive at the time of their discharge. I mean, when they recover from the illness, moreover, their smiley faces make me more happy. Describe some of the ethics which you follow in your profession. Nurses should maintain some ethics in their life, such as punctuality, honesty, truthfulness. Moreover, it is highly important to maintain the confidentiality of the patients. Tell me about the difficult situation which you encountered in your career and how did you manage it? Yes, once I had an Arabic patient who could not speak English and I was also not able to speak in their language. It was really difficult for me to understand his concern. However, I handled the situation by seeking the help of a translator. Could you please briefly explain your day as a nurse or describe me about your typical working day? My day starts with a small prayer. Usually I reach hospital by 8 in the morning. Once I reach the ward, I acknowledge my work. Thereafter, I take the handover from the previous shift's nurses and check the inventory allocated for me. After that, I greet the patients and assess them. Later, I plan the care for the day. Apart from that, I join doctors in rounds and carry out their orders. Later, I administer the medication to my patients and finally, I record all the work which I have done throughout the day. And at the end, I leave for the day after giving proper handover to the next shift staff. In between, if time permits, I assist my colleagues whenever needed. Do you believe that any gender differences or disparities still existing in this profession? No, I don't really believe that there is any gender disparity or differences in this nursing because I have never faced any such difficulties or differences in my profession. However, previously this profession was completely dominated by female nurses, but now the trends have been changed and we can see a larger number of male nurses in this profession. What are the challenges in nursing profession? Well, we face a number of challenges in our day-to-day activities. Some of them are sleep deprivation, long working hours, staff shortage, overload and work pressure. Losing social life is another one. Tell me about your drawbacks and how do you overcome them? Initially, I had some problems with my time management, so I participated in seminars which were conducted by the hospital management. It helped me to overcome my problems to a greater extent. Now I am able to manage my patients on time by providing a quality care. Could you tell me the most satisfying element in this profession? I would definitely say the positive feedbacks from the patients and their smiley face make me more happy and satisfied. Could you tell me the risks which are involved in this nursing? Yes, there are certain risks which are involved in nursing profession. First of all, there are chances of getting chronic back pain, radiation exposure, and also we may get needless injuries. In addition to that, there are chances of getting infections like TB and HIV. How do you manage your stress at work? I manage my stress during my work by proper planning and preparations in advance. That is, I prioritize my patients based on their conditions. This helps me to attend all my patients on time with good quality care. Which country are you planning to move and what are your plans after reaching there? I would like to move to United Kingdom. After reaching there, I need to associate with different recognized hospitals and if time permits, I need to continue my education and nursing. How do you deal with someone who is not satisfied with your patient care? There are situations where patients are not happy with our care. That is, they are unhappy with some aspect of our services. However, it is our responsibility to address their concern and ensure it will not negatively affect the patient's satisfaction. So, if it happens, I usually listen to them carefully and identify the problem and empathize with them. Then, I will try to find a better solution. In case, if I'm not able to do so, I will certainly get the support of my seniors or any doctors. Do you think nurses should attend continuous nursing education? Yes, I strongly believe that the continuous education program helps the nurses to update themselves with current practices in the profession. Moreover, it is mandatory to have a specific hours of continuous nursing education in order to renew the nursing registration. Hence, continuous education is extremely important for nurses. What future trends can we expect in nursing profession? Well, as we know that future is always unpredictable. However, considering the current trends, I would definitely say robots may take over the medical field. What are the different roles of a nurse? Well, a nurse plays different roles in her profession. The main role of a nurse is a caregiver. Along with that, she can work as an advocate for the patient or a mentor or counselor, or sometimes she can be an educator or a trainer for her junior nurses. Where are you from? I'm from Delhi, which is in North India. What do you find most rewarding about being a nurse? Well, first of all, this profession helps me to make differences in the lives of many people. Moreover, I get a number of opportunities to learn and grow. I feel so good when I see the patients' improvements and the positive feedbacks from the patients' family members. It also gives me more respect and recognition in the society.